Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Bryan Fagan, and today we're talking about a very important and complex topic that impacts many families, which is child custody modifications under Texas state law. This is an area that can be emotionally challenging, and that's why we're here to provide you with the knowledge and information you need to decide what steps to take. Now let's get started. Child custody battles in Texas are more than just legal disputes. They're emotionally taxing and can have long-lasting effects on the children that get caught in the middle. Our team are experienced attorneys that are dedicated to guiding you through this challenging process. Our firm is here to provide support during this critical time. Before even considering a child custody modification, it's absolutely vital to approach the decision with meticulous consideration. This is not about revenge or retaliation against the former spouse, but instead about evaluating the legitimate and compelling reasons why child custody modification is needed. These could include substantial shifts in financial circumstances, better educational opportunities for your child, serious health concerns impacting either the child or a parent, or even the genuine preferences of the child or parent. What you might not know is that every modification requires a courtroom battle. If both parties agree and the proposed changes are in the best interest of the children, the court often supports these modifications. However, a cautionary note regarding private agreements. The original court order can still be enforced even if private agreements have been reached. Always consult with your attorney before pursuing this option. When circumstances demand court proceedings, there are specific criteria that must be met to justify a child custody modification. This includes demonstrating a significant and material change in circumstance, taking into account the child's request if they're 12 years of age or older, exploring situations involving relinquishment of custody, and addressing instances of child abuse or family violence. It's important to note that frequent changes to a child's living situation are generally discouraged by the court. Stability is the cornerstone for the child's well-being, and Texas law recognizes this by placing limitations on frequent modifications. Courts typically deny requests for modification if they're filed within a year of a previous order. However, there are exceptions. For example, modifications might be considered if the child's current environment poses a danger, both parents are in agreement, or the child has lived with the other parent for at least 6 months. Child custody battles are emotionally charged. They require not only a deep understanding of the legal matter, but also a compassionate approach. Seeking guidance from an experienced attorney specializing in family law is essential to ensure that your decisions prioritize your child's best interests. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are dedicated to providing the support and guidance you need to get through this complex journey. As we wrap up today's discussion on child custody modifications in Texas, remember the information provided here is intended to be educational, not a replacement for a personalized legal advice. If you're located in the greater Houston area or nearby counties and are facing a child custody challenge, don't hesitate to reach out to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan for a free consultation. And if you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing on our channel for more in-depth legal insights. I'm Bryan Fagan, and I look forward to sharing more information with you in our future videos. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to help you with your child custody modification to ensure the best outcomes for you and your family.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.